What's worth your money? Hair transplant versus hair fixing. Can you afford surgery plus recovery? Are you okay with scars or downtime? Do you want immediate results? Hair transplant costs for 75,000 to 2 lakh. Surgery, downtime, maintenance, uncertainty. Hair fixing, affordable, instant, zero downtime. Style flexibility, confidence boost, no side effects. Don't burn your savings for results that take months. Get back your confidence in just one sitting.
Modern hair fixing. Regain your confidence.